So let's break things down for you. We got rain and we also have some heat. So first off, let's talk about the rain and actually some storms threatening to the north. Boy, oh boy, they came in with a gusto and then poof, gone. You see up there around Canton and Roswell and then down south around Griffin, there's just a couple of light showers. The real stuff is out in Alabama. And for now, that's really where it's going to stay. There's a couple more rounds of showers north up toward Kensington and Dalton, but even this likely will fall apart as it heads down to the south. I think the best risk of getting any real weather of any consequence, any storms, is going to be north and east of town today. And it looks like that's the case tomorrow, too. There's actually a 1 in 5 risk of severe weather. That's around Atlanta, but more so north and east, and then a 2 in 5 risk in the area in yellow. We're kind of on the edge of what we call a ring of fire. In other words, just big heat to the south and southwest, storms kind of in the middle, and that's kind of that ring of fire, as we say, and then cooler air to the north. So let's go ahead and take a look at the pattern right now. And currently, not a whole lot going on around here, thankfully, for a morning rush. That big batch of rain and storms kind of diminishing as it's been drifting southbound. There's still kind of that marshmallow cloud cover, if you will. So that's why we do have some extra clouds this morning, and that is how it's going to stay. It's not going to be a bright start to the day. We are going to be dealing with, again, some of these clouds that are kind of wafting in from the north. Let's go ahead and take a look south here toward Atlanta. And there's actually a storm system lodged along a cold front. We're going to see some of these disturbances putting us on the edge of the stormy weather over the next several days. The one this morning, then there could be another one that comes this afternoon with these hot temperatures, especially east of town, low to mid 90s. That'll do it. Maybe bringing some storms out that way toward Athens and Eatonton. There's the last of those showers this morning. Through about noontime, we stick with clouds and we break into some sunshine, kind of like yesterday. And there are those storms that could fire along, again, another little disturbance rolling in Athens to Eatonton overnight. Those diminish, and then it looks like we could be back at it again by tomorrow afternoon, potentially, with the risk of more showers and storms, especially north and east of town. You see there, Eatonton to Athens, and then it looks like also there could be some more into tomorrow evening, north and east. Main threat's going to be some gusty, damaging winds. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening with the 7-day forecast. And again, for today, it's hot. Hot again tomorrow. A little better chance of rain and storms, especially north and east. And then it's heat again to wrap up the week. Could feel like nearly 100. Cooler and more rainy into the weekend.